Hey there, fellow Maya users. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to find your account number in Maya 2025. If you're new to Maya Bank or just need a quick refresher, this guide is perfect for you. Whether you're setting up a transfer, verifying your account, or sharing details with someone, knowing where to find your account number is essential. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Maya app installed on your phone and that you're logged in. If you haven't updated it yet, go ahead and do that now. 2025 brings some sleek new features. Once you're in, start by opening the app and entering your PIN or biometric login for security. Now, head over to the main dashboard. You'll see your balance and recent transactions at a glance. Look for the profile icon, usually in the top right corner. It's that little person silhouette. Tap on it to access your account settings. This is where the magic happens. In the profile section, scroll down until you find Account Details or Personal Information. It's often labeled clearly to make things user-friendly. Once you're there, you'll see your account number listed prominently. For added security in 2025, Maya might require a quick verification step, like a fingerprint scan, before displaying sensitive info. Just follow the prompts, and voila, your account number is right there. If you're having trouble, double-check that you're in the correct section. Maya has made navigation super intuitive, but if you get stuck, there's a help icon at the bottom of the screen that can guide you further. And that's it, you've successfully found your account number in Maya. This process is quick and secure, ensuring your financial info stays protected. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking hacks, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay savvy.